After several months of using a conventional laptop stand that I purchased, I began to notice certain limitations that hindered my productivity and comfort. It became evident that a customized solution was necessary to address these issues. So the next thing I did was to start sketches and then jumped into SolidWorks to make my design. And after coming up with this design, I went to my 3D printer, 3D printed the parts, and then started assembling.